Hi, Kimberly Roble, GenXXplorer, and today this is just a quick rotator cuff repair hack to make recovery easier. So if you had your rotator cuff repaired, chances are you're in an abductor sling like this. This can really be annoying, especially when you first leave the hospital because of this on your neck. And I just thought I was being choked out regularly or crushing a carotid or whatever. And they sent me home with like a pillowcase in here, which made it even worse. So I had to figure out what to do. I did my research and I couldn't find any hacks, but I did find a sling they sell on Amazon that basically kind of does a circle around your armpit, and then this strap comes from that circle to pull it off your neck so much. I bought one. I found that the sling arm holder only came about to here, and so my hand was just loose, and that wasn't acceptable because I knew that I need my hand stable, otherwise I'd be reaching for things. So I sent that back and I decided to fashion my own. I fashioned my own using two different things I had around the house, and you might have them as well. First thing I used was this elastic that came with the ice machine for the shoulder, and so normally this would basically hold the pad on your shoulder, like it Velcro to this side and wrap around your body to Velcro to the other side to hold the pad for the ice machine on your shoulder. But what I found that was really helpful and unique is it's got Velcro on each end on the same side. And so that I had a hard time finding anywhere else. So here's what I did to make it work for me. And I did have help from my son at the time, because at the time I couldn't move my arm at all. So he was instrumental in the first time around, but once I figured it out, it was a piece of cake. Let me show you. Actually, what you're going to do is you're going to hold your sling so that you've got the back strap, and you're just going to wrap the elastic around it and hook it to itself. I still can't lift my arm, but I will. If you have one of these, you know it sticks to everything because there's so much Velcro. So, Velcroed on the back strap. Gonna go ahead and put it back on. So now you have this strapper on the back here. You got to get it unstuck. And what you're going to do is just grab it and pull it around to the front. And then you're going to wrap it around this front one. Now, key thing you got to do here, loosen this strap because you want it off your neck. Once you get it hooked onto this, you can adjust how tight you want this with the Velcro, but it basically wraps around your rib cage to pull this off your shoulder. So it's a lot more comfortable on your neck. Also, it's still loose in there, so I can still adjust this if I need to. But I actually like it less tight when I've got it like that, but it's super secure. It ain't going anywhere. Let me show you the other one. For this one, I used two of these straps that my husband had. I cannot actually work out what the name of them is, but it looks like Tri-Lancer or something like that. So they've got kind of an open loop on one end and a Velcro part on the other with some sticky stuff on that side. So I have two of them, and what I'm going to do is wrap one around the back strap, just like I did with the other one, and then flip the other one the opposite way and wrap it around the front strap. And then when they come together, basically they'll come together right over here on your rib cage, and the Velcro sides will be facing each other so that they stick together like that. Let me show you. All right, with this fix, it's easier to either have somebody help you put it together on one side with you, or to actually hook it up before you put it on, but then you have to put the sling on kind of like a sleeve where you have to put your arm through it. In the back, again, it's hooked around the strap. Where is it? Right there. And then I put the rubbery side on that side up because, again, it's less noticeable, I guess. And in front, I have the soft side of the Velcro. And again, they go together right here under the rib cage. So then you just adjust your strap over your shoulder, and you're good to go. Good to go. And one of the things I really liked about this one was it was great for work, because I wear black at work every day, and this just kind of blended in and wasn't noticeable. So there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment or ask down in the comments section. I hope this is helpful for you, because I know it was really helpful for me once I figured it out, because I was going crazy. And it was a little bit of work figuring it out, so I hope that you don't have to work as hard, and you can find the materials that you need to make it more comfortable, because if you're wearing it as you're supposed to, you're going to be in this for at least 6 weeks. So thank you for watching. I'm Kimberly Roble, GenXXplorer, and if, again, you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.